Hi everyone, as we're getting into Lewis dot and Vesper theory, I wanted to give you 2 or 3 more tutorials you could take a look at. The first one is this chemistry website from UCLA. It's got a brief tutorial of Lewis dot structures, and it walks you through for carbon dioxide as well as some other things, and it's helpful for some students. The second one that I want to show you is this University of California, Davis Chem Wiki. And I don't like this site as much, but it does give us an older style, the type of bonding circles that you would have had like in 8th grade. And you can see that what's going on is that with chemical bonding, we're dealing with the s and the p orbits. And then there is the Mr. Gooch site, and that's worth your time to take a look at. Again, it walks you through this process and does a nice job. So here are 3 websites that might be worth your while in terms of understanding Lewis dots. In addition to that, there is an alternative to that activity known as build a molecule. This is a PHET activity, and so you would have to go to the PHET, PHET site, and it asks us to build a molecule. And once we do that, it will allow us to come up with a 3D molecule that represents the Lewis dot formula. Now this is called a space-filling molecule, but there's also a ball and stick. Every place that there is a stick, there are 2 electrons being shared, one by the oxygen here and one by the hydrogen here. It's not even because this is a polar covalent bond, and so you actually see the electron bond between them being pulled closer to the oxygen. A second example would be carbon dioxide. And again, I can see this 3D ball and stick model. Here you can see that carbon dioxide is sharing 4 electrons between the center carbon and the outside oxygen here, and between the center carbon and the outside oxygen. So each stick is worth 2 electrons.